all that stuff. And that's all, but that's all it was. I mean, it's not even his side. It could be the west side, it could be the east side. Crash, all that stuff. All over. They just raped. They just raped the nation. They stole money and they disappeared. That's it. So that's cool. I mean, they're talking about this. People want something for people don't want nothing, something for nothing. You gotta give them something for they always want something. So you talking about the prostitute, they talking about gold diggers, everybody's gold digger. People want something out of life. Anytime, so that's prostitution. You see my logic?
Yeah.
People don't want nothing for nothing. It's conditional love. They want something. So it was a joke. It was a joke all the time. So I'd laugh.
Do you read it all, or?
Yeah, I read all the time.
Yeah.
I read all the time. I tutor kids. All that stuff.
What subjects?
Math, reading, English. I was real pretty. The English professor was at Redford High School. He taught me everything I knew. He told me, this is what you do. This is what you do. This is what you do. This is how you do it. That was it.
Gotcha.
That was it.
And would you say you know many people around here? Do you know many people? Do you know many people?
No.
No, not really. And what do you think of Detroit now? Getting better?
I don't know. Detroit, what they do now in the Detroit cities like this, I look at it as a map of other cities. Chicago could be worse. A lot of places, Pittsburgh, Philadelphia. It's just the opposite. It's about sectors. That's all. It's about sectors. That's
all right.
It's about sectors. One neighborhood better than another. So I look at it like it is what it is.
You ever go to Belle Isle?
Yeah, I went to Belle Isle.
Lately?
Yeah, when I was a kid.
Oh, it's nice now.
That Thunder Festival, I used to go there all the time.
Cool. You think you'll ever go back to school or not?
At 42 and my eyes are going bad.
You can get that glaucoma treated though, can't you?
I know. I mean, I remember cataracts and all that, but I had a chance. I just, after what I seen and what I know, I just let it go. I let it go.
Yeah. I
let it go. I had my chance at 42. At 42, you really is, when you was 29 or 30 years old, you was old. You had your chance. And the way they doing things now, they want to interview, these educated people is really fighting. How are you going to be 42, 45, 30, 50 years old, 7 years old and shit, and trying to beat up there? They want to attract the young people and all that stuff. But it was interesting about Bill Cosby. He said about Bill Cosby, they just looked at us, people who are educated or trying to change themselves. They still got their eye on it, and they got shape or break your lifestyle. Yeah.
All right.
That's the truth.
All right. Well, I guess I'm gonna hit back on the road.
All right.